Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your balance on ByBit account and how to see which coins specifically you have and how much. So it's pretty simple and easy. This tutorial will be quick, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you will find this guide useful. Once you have logged into your ByBit, you want to go ahead and click on assets in the right down corner at the bottom. And here you will already see your assets. So it's hidden for me, but basically once you click that I, you will see how much you have. You can also select your currency, which you want to see with, I'm just going to leave USD, and you will also see it in Bitcoin. You will also see your account, like funding, unified trading, and inverse derivatives. And also once you click asset, you will see all of your assets here on your ByBit. As you can see, I have no available data for me, but you will see all of your cryptocurrencies here on your asset. And that's basically it, guys. That's where you see your balance on ByBit. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.